guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video I'm going to review a new launch that is going to happen in India, which is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum, which is this guy right here. So I'm going to be reviewing the product today and telling you guys more about it, the benefits, the features, the good things and the bad things about the product, and letting you know more about it and why you should actually start, incorporating hyaluronic acid infused skincare on your daily skincare routine. So if you guys are interested to know more, then please continue watching. Alright, so this is the product I will be reviewing for you guys today, and this product was sent to me by the brand for me to try and let you guys know more about it and share my thoughts and the actual review of this product for you guys. So this is the product, this is how it looks like. So this product was launched like a few time ago internationally, and now it's gonna soon launch in India, which is so amazing, and I'm super excited for you guys to also get your hands on the product and see why I have been loving the product so much. So yeah, so the product was launched very long time ago internationally, and it's actually the #1 serum in Europe and China and even USA. So people have been loving the product quite a lot, and you've seen everywhere like Instagram, YouTube and other platforms, TikTok even, people are using these type of hyaluronic acid infused skincare, niacinamide serum, AHAs, BHAs. So this whole thing is so in trend right now, but not only because it's trending, but you should know why this type of skincare is actually beneficial for you and your skin. So I'm going to be talking about it in this video. So I'm going to be giving you an insight about the product, the actual review, the application, the use. Also, I'll be talking about the main ingredient of the product, which is hyaluronic acid, and who should use it, can oily skin people, sensitive skin people use it, and how to use it, when to use it. So I'll be answering all these questions in this video. So let us quickly jump into the review because I'm super excited to tell you guys about this product. So let's go. So this product was sent to me by the brand, and I've been loving this product so much. I've constantly been using it in my nighttime skincare routine, and I have been loving the way this has worked on my skin. So I'm going to tell you how this works, but before we move on to the actual review, the application, the benefits, the features of the product, I really wanted to give you some insight about the main or key ingredient of the serum, which is hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid, you can say, is an acid, a molecule, a substance that is naturally present in our skin. So as we tend to age or grow, the production, or you can say the concentration of hyaluronic acid in our skin tends to decrease over the time. So what is hyaluronic acid? So hyaluronic acid is responsible for the youthful glow, plumpiness and glow that you have on your skin. So hyaluronic acid is the guy who does that onto your skin. So yeah, if you see a person who has naturally glowing skin, plumpy and very youthful, healthy skin, it's because she has a very high concentrate of hyaluronic acid in the skin, which is really good and healthy. So as we tend to grow, the concentration or the production of this acid tends to get reduced over time. So we really need to use it from outside. So you need to apply the serum or the product itself from outside, if your body is not producing it, right? So now what is the role of hyaluronic acid. If you guys have very dull skin, very you can say dry skin, dehydrated skin, then this guy here might help you wonders. First of all, I need you guys to tell you about my skin type. So I'm an oily skin type, and I have very sensitive skin, and I've been using the product, and the product has worked amazingly on my skin. So I've been using the product before my moisturizer. So I just wash my face, and sometimes I scrub too, because I tend to scrub twice a week, and after that I pat dry my face, and then I apply the serum, and then I go on with my regular moisturizer or facial essential oil. So I've been loving the way my skin looks when I wake up the next day. It feels like very, very soft and plump, and it's not that it's only when I wake up. So throughout the day my skin feels very like moisturized and hydrated, which is because of the hyaluronic acid present in the serum that stays on your face and gives you that glow and youthful radiance on your skin. So yeah, so if you have oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, everyone can use hyaluronic acid infused serum or skincare because it's very healthy and very, very like good for your skin. And if you have sensitive skin, you do not need to worry because there are certain acids such as AHAs and BHAs that tend to react a little bit harshly on sensitive skin, but hyaluronic acid is really like safe to use even for sensitive skin because I have very, very sensitive skin and I've been using the product and it has been working like wonderfully on my skin. I've not encountered any reaction or any like breakouts or anything. My skin has been like feeling very hydrated, plump and soft. So now let's move and talk about the product. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the packaging of the product. So this is how the product looks like. Can you guys see how sleek and sophisticated the packaging of the product is? I love like products that have a very like sophisticated and super simple packaging that feels luxurious. I love products that have such a packaging. So this is how the product looks like and comes in a glass bottle, which is amazing. And the best part of the packaging is that it comes with a dropper packaging. So you can actually control how much of product you're putting and it's amazing. And I love like droppers because it is so much easier to use the product and you can easily put the product and concentrate the product all over your face. It actually facilitates the use of the product to a great extent. So you can put on the product very nicely and distribute the product all over your face with the dropper and then with your fingers, of course. So yeah, I really like the packaging. Now the product comes in two different sizes. So this is the bigger size. This is a 30 ml container. This is the tub, and this retails for 999 rupees, which is basically 1,000 bucks. And you also get a smaller size of a 15 ml container, which is going to be half of it, and it costs for 499 rupees, which is really affordable. So if you guys don't want to go and invest like for the full product, you can actually go for the smaller size and try out the product and see how it works for you, and then go and purchase the bigger size. So yeah, I personally feel that the product is quite affordable because this acid based skincare thing is onto the upper side, but you're getting it into like a mid range. So if you guys want to try out the product first, then go for the smaller container and try it out and see how it works, and then you can always go on and purchase the bigger one. So now let's talk about the features of the product. So the main key ingredient of the serum is obviously hyaluronic acid. This is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. So yeah, the product claims to have like a balanced and very like apt concentrate of hyaluronic acid, which is 1.5%. So like a lot of dermatologists and a lot of skin doctors have been like raving about hyaluronic acid and talking and emphasizing on the importance of the right amount of concentration of hyaluronic acid, so you get the maximum benefits of the acid onto your skin. So the 1.5% concentration of hyaluronic acid is actually the optimum amount of concentration that you really need onto your serum for you to see and get the benefits of the product nicely on your skin. And yeah, I've been using the product and the product is not at all sticky. It doesn't feel sticky like many other serums. I've been trying different serums from different brands, and I don't like serums that feel really sticky and heavy because you usually wear serums before your moisturizer, and the serum really needs to be very like runny and liquidy and very quickly absorbing for you to then move on with your moisturizer. So serums are used before moisturizer because they tend to be more like lightweight, and they really need to get absorbed like quickly before you go on with your moisturizer. So there are certain serums that really feel very heavy and greasy and oily and sticky, and I don't like those type of serums. However, this product doesn't feel at all heavy or greasy on the skin. It gets quickly absorbed onto the skin, and as you massage the product inside, it gets absorbed onto the skin, and you feel like your skin feels more hydrated and plump, but you don't feel that you have applied anything or you have something heavy on your skin. So that's something I really like about the product. And then I proceed with my moisturizer to lock everything and prepare my skin for getting like a nice like boost of hydration overnight. So yeah, this is what it is. Moreover, this serum is free from dyes, parabens, fragrance and alcohol, which is amazing. I like my skincare to be fragrance free and paraben free, because I am really like switching to better skincare options. I don't want to put in like chemicals that will harm my skin in the long run. So that's super amazing that this particular product is free from all those harmful chemicals. Moreover, the product also claims to increase your skin radiance by a 42%, which is insane, okay? Like, if you get a chance to increase your skin radiance and youth and plumpness for up to 42%, imagine how, like, from a dull skin, how your skin is going to look after you, use the product for a few, like, months. You can see the difference after using the product for a while. So, yeah, this is what I had to talk about, the features of the product. Now, what are the benefits of using a hyaluronic acid infused serum just like this one? So hyaluronic acid, as I talked before, is very essential for your skin because it maintains like moisture and hydration on your skin. It restores a lot of youthfulness, radiance and glow to your skin. So and it's also naturally present in our skin, so it's amazing. So as you grow old, your concentration of the acid gets reduced on your skin, so you can apply it externally to restore that skin radiance, youthfulness back onto your skin. Again, anyone and anybody can use the product irrespective of your skin type and skin sensitivity. I have oily skin and the product has been suiting me. I have also like oily and sensitive skin, and the product has been working wonderfully for my skin. So yeah, this is all about the product, its features, its benefits, and I've also given you an insight about its key ingredient, which is hyaluronic acid. So now I'm going to show you how I apply the product. So I have been using the product and I've been using it only during the night, but I shall also start using it in the morning skincare routine because I've been loving the way it has been working on my skin. And if I start using it twice a day, maybe I can see better results of the product. So yeah, now I'm going to show you how I apply the product. So I start with a clean and dried face. I have washed my face with a face wash and scrubbed it today as well. So I have washed and scrubbed my face and I have towel dried it. And now I'm going to proceed with applying the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid on my skin. And I just take the product on the dropper and I drop it all over my face. You're supposed to drop like 3 to 4 drops on your face and then start massaging it very gently on your skin. So I usually like to massage it very nicely until it is nicely absorbed onto my skin, and then I wait for like 5 to 7 minutes before I go on with the moisturizer. So you can see how my face is looking. It looks super hydrated and plump, and that too I've not used any moisturizer yet. I've just applied the serum. So you can see how my skin looks quite hydrated and soft after using the serum. So I love the serum because it gets super quickly absorbed into the skin and you don't even feel like you have added an extra step or an extra layer to your skincare. So then next I move on with a moisturizer. So today I'm using this moisturizer and I'm just gonna quickly put it onto my face and start massaging. I really feel that even the moisture of the moisturizer is nicely absorbed whenever I use this serum. So this is how my skin looks after putting on the moisturizer and the serum beneath. You can see it looks super hydrated, juicy and healthy. I love drenching my face with a lot of moisture and hydration, and this is how I prepare my skin before taking my beauty sleep. So my skin gets a lot of hydration and radiance while I'm asleep, and my skin is getting restored and repaired overnight. So this is how I use the product, and I've also talked about the benefits, the features, the pricing, everything you needed to know about the product. Honestly, I've not seen any bad thing about the product. There's nothing I hate about the product as such, because the packaging is amazing, the price is quite affordable, the serum works amazingly, absorbs very quickly, doesn't leave any stickiness or greasiness onto your face. So there's nothing bad about the product. So I'm quite happy with this product, and I shall get another one when this gets empty, because that's for sure. I love this serum, okay, because I've used many serums, and to be honest, this is the one I liked the most out of all of those. So yeah, I really like the product, and I will definitely guys recommend you to try out this product if you are really looking for such a serum or product, or you are trying to inculcate acid based skincare. Then that's going to be amazing, and using the serum is also quite important for your skincare as well. So if you guys want to try out a good and affordable skincare, then definitely go and try out this one. It's going to soon be launching in India, so you'll get to know whenever this is going to get launched. But this is like a mini review for you guys to know about the product before you actually get it, so all your questions and queries get resolved. If you have any further questions or queries regarding the product and its usage, you can definitely drop them down in the comments below. I will be answering all of them. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video, and this video was actually helpful to you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.